guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Are you a small business owner looking to grow your business? In this video, I'll show you how to write a business plan for your small business. Now, a business plan is an essential tool to help you achieve your goals. The first section of your business plan is the executive summary. This section should give an overview of your business, your goals, and your plan to achieve them. Keep it concise, but include all the key information. Next is your company's description. You want to describe your company in more detail. This section should cover your business structure, your business history, and any unique selling points. You should also include information about your target market and your competition. Products and services. In this section, you want to describe your products and services in details. This should include information about the benefits of your products or services, how they are unique, and how they meet the needs of your target market. The next step is market analysis. To create an effective business plan, you need to understand your market. You want to conduct a thorough analysis of your target market, including information about your customers' needs, behavior, and preferences. You should also analyze your competition and identify any opportunities or threats in the market. Once you understand your market, you can now develop effective marketing and sales strategies. In this part of your business plan, you want to describe how you promote your products or services to reach your target market. You should also outline your sales strategies and how you measure success. Before you finish, you should talk about operations and management. This should cover the day-to-day operations of your business, include information about your team, your processes, and your resources. You should also include information about any legal or regulatory requirements you need to comply with. Finally, you want to include financial projections in your business plan. This should include information about your startup costs, revenue projections, and profit margins. You should also include a break-even analysis and cash flow projections. In conclusion, a business plan is an essential tool for any small business owner looking to grow their business. By following these simple 7 steps, you can create an effective business plan that will help you achieve your goals. If you enjoyed this video, this is the time to tap the like button. It is 100% free. Also, subscribe to my channel to get more unique content to grow your small business. Feel free to drop a comment or questions if you have any. If you are still struggling with writing your business plan after watching this video, you can email me at smallbusinesshubforyou@gmail.com and I'll send you free templates to assist you. Thank you for watching.